Once upon a time there was a mermaid cat who lived deep in the sea, and one day she became interested in the land, the world above the water. Interesting. I want to walk among the big buildings. Now I can walk with these legs. I'll definitely be back by sunset. Wow, how beautiful. I like it. I am hungry. I wish I could eat some shrimp now. So bored. I am hungry. You are unusually beautiful. Where did you come from? From a distant world. You are beautiful too. So they started talking about many things, got to know each other better and became friends. Now I have to go home. My parents are probably worried. Thank you so much for lunch. It was a pleasure spending time with you. Me too. I look forward to our next meeting. Me too. Goodbye.